Okay, good morning. What you're looking at here is a flat plane. This is a little addendum to the value snippet. I just want you to see what happens here. This is, up here is the bulb, okay? This is the sun. There's the sun. So that's your number one value 99% of the time, unless you change it. But usually the sky is your lightest value. So the sun comes down with direct light and hits the flat surface of the earth. That is generally your second value. Your third value would be here where you have a hillside. So what's happening is the rays from the sun are hitting a flat surface, and then as you come upright, the rays of the sun is slanted and not hitting it directly, so it's giving you that darker value. Okay, so that's really an important little thing to understand. All right, so let's look at this in a graphic sense. Okay, so in the sky you have the light bulb. The sky is the light bulb, and the sky is sending down, the sun is sending down these rays. Okay, now the rays coming down, there's your number one value, because nothing is going to get brighter than that sun. That's your number one value. And then it's going to hit this flat surface of the earth, or might be the ocean, whatever. Whatever it is, it's a flat surface. So the rays are hitting this flat surface. So that's obviously going to be your second value. It's not going to be as bright as the sun, but it's going to be very bright because it's a flat surface and it's getting direct rays. Now, anything upright, if you have anything upright here, like a building, it's getting these slanted rays of light. So the slanted rays are not going to be they're not going to be as bright as the flat surface that it's hitting. But up here you have this slanted roof. Now these rays are direct and they're reflective, so they're bouncing back off, just like this is. This light's coming down, hitting this surface and bouncing back, so that's why you have a warmer color on the base of buildings generally. It bounces up, catches underneath the eaves of a building. Or you may have, trees in the background. Now you have local color is important too. The trees are very dark, because they're dark anyway, and the light is not going to make them as light as, for instance, as a roof, but it will make them brighter. So you have to pay attention to how the light is hitting these particular surfaces. Okay? All right, I hope that helped you. It's just a little addendum to what we saw in the value snippet. Okay? Thank you so much.